Downloading data from Gmail can be useful for backup or migration purposes. Follow these steps to easily download your Gmail data. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your credentials to access your account. Make sure you are using the account from which you want to download data. Step 2. Access Google Takeout. Once signed in, navigate to Google Takeout by searching for it or going to the URL takeout.google.com. This service allows you to export data from various Google services, including Gmail. Step 3. Select data to download. In Google Takeout, you will see a list of Google services. Find and check the box next to Mail to select your Gmail data. You can also choose other services if you want to download more data. Step 4. Choose file type and delivery method. Scroll down and click on Next Step. Here, you can select the file type PNG, zip or TGZ and the delivery method EG, a download link via email or adding to cloud storage. Make your selections and click Create Export. Step 5. Download your data. After the export process is complete, you will receive a notification. If you chose to receive the download link via email, check your inbox for the link. Click on the link to download the file containing your Gmail data. Now you have successfully downloaded your Gmail data. Keep the file safe for future reference or use it as needed.